Hello guys, we are here in Pagadian City Boulevard. So here I will bring you and let's see how beautiful it is. And I have companion here, my friend Crisel. She is single. So look, it's beautiful and the sky is blue. So I'll bring you there. We will walk down there. Here is MB Pagadian City. Wah, nindot kayo picture dito, Sil. Ano, Sil, oh. Di pa man sa ato niya. So let's finish a 3-minute short video. And today is Sunday and the time is 9 o'clock in the morning. So maybe next time it's better to come here in the afternoon, like waiting for the sunset. Now it's so hot that you can see the sunrise is very hot, and there is the marketplace. So maybe at night they're selling food there. Okay, so here is Pagadian City, MB Pagadian City. So this is the ship. So let's see if it is open. Oh, today is closed. You cannot go inside. So let's check out there. Balik lang tayo sa magkuan picture. Okay. So mga kababayan kong mga Pilipino, papakita ko sa inyo. Tingnan nyo kung anong meron dito sa Pagadian Boulevard. So yung mga upuan nila ganito, oh, may mga wheels. So hanggang dulo yan. Ngayon walang gaanong tao kasi Sunday at mainit ang panahon. Kaya ganito siya, oh. Saan ang isda? Ay, wow. Oh, ang daming isda, oh. Nakita nyo? Ang daming isda. I-zoom natin. Ayan sila, oh. Oh, pwede tayong mamasol pala dito. Next time, mamasol tayo, ha. So, ayan.